second.
St. Martin Parish in south central Louisiana.
What the hell?
Southeastern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m.
What the hell? It didn't freaking... It showed up late. What the hell?
And is nearly stationary. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Not 60-mile-per-hour winds?
Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include
Alright, I just gotta wait for the EAS alert to come up on there. I'm sure it'll come up soon.
Refuge, Kenton, Sunset, Arnaudville, Carencro, Melville, Grand Coteau, Cross Springs, Leonville, and Lafayette. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flood warning now in effect from Friday evening until further notice. The Chapel Wildlife Refuge, Kenton, Sunset, Arnaudville, Carencro, Melville, Grand Coteau, Cross Springs, Leonville, and Lafayette. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's funny. You didn't pick up the no weather radio EOM. Alright, come on. Relay. Relay. There we go. What the hell? I'm not trying to get my face in there. What the hell? There we go. I gotta show my face. Wait, do they use an Easy Plus?
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lafayette Parish in south central Louisiana, northwestern St. Martin Parish in south central Louisiana, southeastern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Church Point and is nearly stationary.
That's near me, by the way.
Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Opelousas, Sophia, Port Bar, Atchafalaya National Wildlife Refuge, Kenton, Sunset, Arnaudville, Carencro, Melville, Grand Coteau, Cross Springs, Leonville, and Lafayette. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Hello?
Being in the military and knowing that I was going to be protecting